Meaning of good-humoured.
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 Good-humoured. Good-humoured is an adjective used to describe someone who is cheerful, friendly, and easygoing in disposition. Such a person is characterized by a positive attitude towards life and the people around them, often displaying kindness and a sense of humor. They are typically approachable and pleasant to be around, making others feel comfortable in their presence. This quality is often reflected in their behavior and communication style, which tends to be affable and upbeat. Overall, being good-humored is an attractive quality that can enhance one's personal and professional relationships.